Hello, my name is Enchanted Moon. Welcome to my channel. I have a witchy unboxing for you for June from Sacred Space Crate. So we're going to give it a little opening here. Let's see. Excuse me, guys. I got allergies. All right. Ooh, this is a heavy one this month. Heavy box. Oh, goodness. Okay, this is what it looks like. Element of fire. So let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm sitting on my legs and it hurts so bad. Oh, sorry. It's much better. Okay. Elements of fire. We've already done the elements with Sacred Space Crate, so I don't know what difference these items are going to be, but I have them all over the wall. She made beautiful plaques for the elements, and I have them specifically spaced on the right wall. So last month was the element of air. Oh, I remember that. So this is fire, and we will go over this at the end. And we have this little sacred space. It says, it's hard for me to read. And just the phoenix rose, and just as the phoenix rose from the ashes, she too will rise, returning from the flames, clothed in nothing but her strength, more beautiful than ever before. Sharon something, but that's a sticker that's the red paper. All right, so right on top we have incense. Incendia is the incense. Her incense are always wonderful. I love them. Sometimes I'll reorder them from her page. This is really, really nice smelling too. All right, let's see what we got. So right on top we have our handmade salve. For this month it is cinnamon. Increases circulation, and it's a lip plumper. Say that 10 times. All right, I gotta move some of this around. All right, we got some big boxes in here. This is why the weight. So this is one of the boxes. Let's see what this is. Wow. Let's see what we got. It's a cauldron and a candle. So she took the cauldron and made a candle out of it, which is awesome. We got this beautiful cauldron with the pentacle. Nice size. And inside is a beautiful candle. The red heart, dragon, and some crystals. And it smells like cinnamon. Ooh, now this is really nice. That's probably some of the weight in the box for sure. That is nice. Double wicked. And we also have another box. Wow, 2 boxes. This one's taped. Interesting. June's my birthday month, guys. Do we have any June Gemini babies? I'm the 11th. Want to know who other witchies share this month's birthday? We got a lot of paper here, so it's going to be a big surprise. Okay, I got the item out, I believe. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I like it a lot. Oh, wow, this is heavy too. Look at this beautiful baby. It is got some weight to it, so I don't know if that's that heavy resin. I'm not sure, but it is goddamn gorgeous. Look at that. You have your cone holder, maybe even a candle. I think you can use it for both, honestly. It's deep enough. Really, I've never seen nothing like this. This is really pretty. So we got these two big, heavy duty items. Real nice. Awesome. Then we have this red sachet. And we have a bracelet, which looks like maybe a dragon. Definitely a dragon. And it's dragon's blood, jasper, and clear quartz. So we got the big charm there at the dragon. And you got dragon's blood, jasper, and the clear quartz on both sides. Really nice bracelet there. And then we have our herb. This month, I'm going to guess it's cinnamon by looking at it. No, I'm wrong. It's garlic powder. Garlic powder. It reeks like garlic too. Nice. Garlic's one of my faves. And we got this wrapped item here. I'm super excited. We got dragon's blood extract. Dragon's blood extract. All right, what else we got in here? Ooh. We got a huge bag of more candles. It looks like almost every color. We got yellow, blue, and light blue. Yeah, it looks like almost every color. Red, purple, black, green, orange, pink, and did I say purple? So we got all these chimes. So I'm assuming it's supposed to fit in here. There you go. Nice. Anything else? I think that might be it. Oh, wait, no. There's another item. I think that's it now. All right. All right, the last item here is a tumbled stone. From here, it looks like rose quartz. No, it's, I don't know what that one is, but you'll find out. All right, so that's everything. The fire element I liked. Like a lot. All right. So we have our June calendar, which looks like the Phoenix. And we are on June 4th already. Goodness gracious. Goes quick, right? So we got our calendar with the zodiac. We got our Element of Fire Book of Shadows. Okay. And then we got our info sheet. So last month we began with east with the element of air. This month we move clockwise to south to embrace the and embody the elements of fire. This is my favorite, element to work with because to me it's the easiest to understand. You must understand an element before you can embody it, work with it, and work towards controlling it. Yes, it is possible to control the element with practice and perseverance. I'm going to share an exercise at the end of this information letter that will help you get started with practice of controlling fire. But now let's begin with the magical items in this box. So, Candle of Passion in Metal Cauldron. I spellcrafted this candle on 3 days of the waxing moon to the full moon of Beltane. This candle is for manifesting your passion, rather it be for love or success. It's a spell to guide you to your goal, whatever it may be. You can use it for your personal ritual. Just make sure that you feel very passionate about whatever you're trying to manifest. The red heart represents your heart. The garnet stones represent passion and inspiration. And carnelian is to give it your zest for life and improve your confidence. And after you finish your spell, clean for your talisman off and wear it or place it on your altar to keep the energy of your spell near, which is the phoenix. And then, of course, you have this beautiful cauldron afterwards as well. Triple Moon Soapstone, that's what they call this. Soapstone spell candle holder. I love this candle holder too, because not only is it heavy and high quality, but it represents the witch's magic of the triple moon design and pentacle carved in on top. Spell candle is placed in middle of pentacle. This design is so magical for candle magic. But boom. And then spell candles. I've included a variety of candles to use with your spell candle holder. Each color represents what it means to you, but here is a typical listing for what they mean. So she listed the colors and what they mean for the candles. Okay, dokie. Then the dragon bracelet of power. This guy here. Dragon's blood promotes creativity in all aspects, courage and strength and will. Quartz amplifies its energy as a healing. A dragon blood jasper also promotes fertility and sex drive. Helps us give up old, outdated ways to start new and better avenues in life. And there's an affirmation here for the bracelet as well. She has a affirmation in here. Then she has Red Aventurine Tumbled Stone. And she has a huge information about that. Also known as the personal power is the Red Aventurine. So I don't want to get into that whole, but if you want to freeze it, you can read the definition if you'd like that. Then the dragon's blood extract. This is pure dragon's blood extract, harvested from the Amazon rainforest. While the name may conjure visions of fire-breathing, red-bellied mythical creatures of all smoke and scales, dragon blood comes from a tree. A ruby sap resin that can be collected from different varieties of dragon trees. These trees are part of the tropical plant groups called croton, demon crops. I'm not even going to butcher those words. Anyway, these represent... This impressive-looking tree has branches that look like hands outstretched from the earth, making dragon's blood feel more like a gift. People use dragon's blood for wound healing, digestive problems, and other conditions. But there's no good scientific evidence to support these issues. In magic, dragon's blood can be used for protection, purification, personal power, and good fortune. You can drop this over your spell candles during ritual. Make sure you shake. It says, okay. Then it goes into the garlic powder in the herb. I realize you already have garlic powder in your kitchen, but it also belongs in your magical herb cabinet as well. Garlic is a very powerful protection herb in magic. Ancient Greeks wore it to guard against illness, theft, and possession of evil spirits. It also has commonly been used in cleansing spells and is also known as an aphrodisiac and was forbidden by monks who took an oath of celibacy. Garlic is associated with the goddess witch Hecate. You can actually burn this on a disc for smoke cleansing. Incendia incense sticks. They do smell really good. The floral notes of neroli blossom, lotus petal, cedarwood, and white nougat, and a hint of basil. Burn on your altar and your sacred space during rituals to ignite that fire within. Then the cinnamon salve. You can also use for painting and bruising, but you can also use as a lip plumper. I hope you're able to connect with these items in this box, and she gives you a sneak peek for July's is going to be the element of earth. And there's also how to embody the fire here down below. So, and then the back is the regular end of the instructions on embodying and controlling the elements of fire, which is pretty cool, so I'm going to try that. So let me know, guys, what you think of Sacred Space for June. It's awesome. I love everything about it. Let me know what you think. I'll leave the information about this box in the description below. Thank you guys for watching.